All right, here we go. Tuesday morning. Big shout out to those Alabama fans out there. Roll Tide. Six national championships since 2009. Man, talk about a dynasty. Great job. All right, starting the day off today. Equity market's pretty flat. It's a quiet session overnight. We've had 4 days of dollar strength. Seeing a bit of a reversal this morning. Dollar getting leaned on a bit. Seeing strength in that euro, strength in that cable, that British pound trade. Oil, another big mover this morning, up over 1.5%, now at $53 a barrel in WTI. Some of the big catalysts out there, right? So we talked a little bit about it yesterday. Will this impeachment vote go forward in the lower chamber? This push to impeach the current sitting president, Donald Trump? I don't know. We'll see. Joe Biden already planning for his presidency, talking about $1 trillion+ of additional stimulus that could be coming. Could see some impact on the markets from that if that starts to materialize. We've got tensions with China. There's a lot going on out there still that could rattle these markets. So I know we're 6 trading days into the month already. Been a relatively quiet start, all things considered, market-wise. Obviously not with everything that's going on in the riots, so on and so forth. But don't let that lull you to sleep. Again, we talk about it all the time. Don't fall into that trap of complacency. Be ready, be on the ready, continue to make yourself better. Get in there, educate yourself, get in demo, trade, take some of our educational courses. On that note, we're firing up the macro setup with Dan Nathan and Guy Adami after that winter break or holiday break hiatus. Fire that back up today. That will be hitting our YouTube channel and social media channels later. Everybody have a good one. Let's go get after it. I'll check in with you tomorrow. Bye-bye.